So you're currently getting an error on YouTube that says video unavailable, this content isn't available. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the common reasons for this and how you can go about solving it if you're currently seeing this on YouTube. And so let me just go ahead and make this image larger. I think I opened it already in a different tab. So you will see this when you're trying to watch videos when you're trying to watch videos on YouTube. So what is generally causing this problem? This is normally caused by few reasons. One, this could be a geolocation block. So you could have a regional restriction. So I recommend that if you used to be able to view it, then there could be a reason for that, that it's not working anymore. Or if you have never able to view it, it could be literally a regional restriction that you are having. Another very common reason for a video used to be available and not available anymore is if that video somehow has a copyright strike or a copyright claim or a copyright and YouTube literally remove the content or remove the video, then you will not be able to see the video anymore. Another reason for this is that it could be related to account or session issues. So you can have a problem with the current login or session, or your account could have a temporary flag. And what I recommend that you do is if you have a separate Google account, you could try that and see if it's working. So if you have different browsers on your PC, you could try in another browser with that account, or you can try with your same account in another browser to see if it's actually working. And so this is going to help you to see if the issue is related to your account or the issue is related to your device, or it could be whatever it is, right? So you can even try to watch the video on your phone to see if it actually plays. And if it's working on your phone or it's working in another browser, then it could be that you have some browser corruption, right? Or app corruption here. So what I would recommend that you do if it's not working in one browser, what's working in the next, check to see if your browser is up to date or if you have some cache, and you can go ahead and try to solve it like that. Another thing that could be a problem is if you have third party applications such as ad blockers or something like that, you can go ahead and check your extensions. So check to see if you have them. You can click on manage extensions, check to see if you have any kind of VPN or ad blocker, whatever it is that you have, you could check those and turn these off as well to ensure that you're not affected by this, because these can also cause the problem. If you tried, for example, that entire account and you see that it's not working in this account, it's not working on your mobile, but you have a different YouTube account and it's working there, let's say a different Google account and you sign in and it's working in your same browser under a different account or in another browser under a different account, then it could be that it's really with your account on YouTube. And how would you approach that? Is by simply go to your YouTube account, and what I want to mention is that you could see this being affected for multiple videos as well. So not only the one, but multiple videos. And if you're seeing that across multiple videos on YouTube, then you're surely facing some issues there with your account. And for that reason, how you approach it is by clicking your profile in the upper right, go down to where it says send feedback, and you want to go ahead and just say, "Hi, YouTube team," right? I am currently facing this issue on videos. And you just basically do something like that and share the error message or whatever you see in video unavailable. This content is available on YouTube. You share that with them and then you choose the option to capture screenshot. So you do like this and you select wherever you're seeing that and you click allow and you basically take the screenshot and the screenshot will be added here. Now you just basically ensure that you send it, and I would say give it a couple hours up to a day or two, and you should receive the fix on your account, and YouTube will let you know whatever the feedback is as well, because it's going to come under your same account. But this is generally best approach in case you're trying everything, nothing works under this account but it works on the other accounts, and you think that it's not a browser issue but it's an account issue, then you will use this approach to send feedback to YouTube. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Go ahead and try this, and I wish you the best of luck that you will fix the error message showing that video not available. This content isn't available on YouTube.